If you're experiencing difficulties with Outlook, such as crashes or freezes during the opening process, proceed with the following steps to resolve the issue. First of all, let's disable Outlook add-ins. First of all, let's try to open Outlook in safe mode. For this, go to Run and type outlook.exe/safe and click on OK button. If Outlook opens in safe mode without a problem, then close it and try to open it again normally and check if the problem has been fixed. If it does not open in safe mode, then move to next steps. In my case, it is opening in safe mode. If you still facing problem, then move to next steps. Go to Search and open Outlook from the list. From the File menu, select Options. Select Add-ins at the left pane and then choose COM Add-ins from the drop-down and then hit the Go button next to it. Uncheck all the boxes to disable all add-ins, then press the OK button. Close Outlook, then restart it normally. If Outlook starts without any issues, reopen it in safe mode. Enable the add-ons one by one, restarting Outlook each time, until you identify the one causing the problem. Do this for all add-ins which was disabled before. The prevalent issue when Outlook fails to open is often a corrupted Outlook data file. Therefore, proceed to scan and rectify Outlook data file errors by following the instructions below. Go to Search and type Control and select Control Panel from the list. Then set View to large icons. Then click on Mail, Microsoft Outlook. At Mail Setup window, click Data Files. At Data Files tab, choose the Outlook data file PST or OST and click Open File Location to find its storage location on the disk. Open a new Explorer window and navigate to the scanpst.exe tool location on the disk, based on the installed version of Windows and Office. You can see location of various Outlook version here. My Outlook version is 2019 and 64-bit Windows, so I am navigating to fourth path. Here search for scanpst.exe file and double-click on it. And browse the path of PST file that you have opened earlier. Finally, click the Start button to start the repairing process. Now wait the repair process to complete. If you get this page, then click on Repair button. You can see repair is completed. Now you can open Outlook. If you are still facing the issue, then move to next steps. Repair Microsoft Office applications. Go and open Control Panel. Select View as category. Click on Uninstall Programs link. Select the Office version you have installed, and right-click on it and select Change. Next, click on Repair button. Allow it to repair Microsoft Office, resolving issues such as Outlook freezing or crashing. Next fix is by using new Outlook profile and opening Outlook with this newly created profile. Navigate to Control Panel, open Mail, Microsoft Outlook. Click on Show Profile button. Click Add to create a new profile. In the profile name box, enter a name for the new profile, then hit OK. Now proceed to set up your email account and click Next to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the account setup. After setup complete, you can finally choose the new profile to be the default and click OK. Then you can open Outlook. To prevent Outlook from crashing, another method involves reducing the size of the mailbox by archiving older items. Follow the steps provided below to accomplish this. Open Outlook. Select the File tab, then choose Info. Then click on Tools. Next, click on Clean up old items. Choose Archive this folder and all subfolders, and select the folder you want to archive, like the Inbox folder. Pick a date under Archive items older than. Date before you have selected here will be archived. Check the box that says, Include items with Do Not Auto-Archive checked, if you want to archive specific folders. Lastly, click the OK button to archive the old items, such as emails. Go to this path and check whether archiving is in progress or not. You can see size of archive file is increasing, so archiving is in progress. After completing this, you can open Outlook and your freezing issue, hang issue might get fixed. This much for today. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update.